Hi, if you're watching this now in January 26th, then Happy New Year to you. If you're watching it later on, then hope you're having a good one. In the meantime, let's have a quick look at this. So we're going to look for the developer options. Okay, now if you want to sideload, this is something you need to turn on. All Firesticks apart from the Fire Select can turn this on, so you can sideload. If it's the Fire Select, you can't sideload because of the system it's on. So just quickly then, come over to your settings menu, down to Fire TV, and in there you can see the second one down on mine is showing as developer options. If you're not showing that, it's easy to get it. Okay, so you go back up to the About menu, click on that, and then with your remote control, the center button here, okay, you press that 7 times, and then it will come up that developer mode is active. As you can see on mine, it's saying no need, you're already a developer. Okay, once you've done that, if you go back, then you'll see developer options. Okay, what you need to do in here, ADB debugging, recommend turning that on. Okay, and then come down to install unknown apps, and in here you can turn on like here for downloader, turn it on so it can download apps from that source. So most to be off. I've got Firesend, which is another app, see my previous videos on that, that you can download stuff from. So downloader and Firesend on mine, and also I've got Explore set up. Okay, so I can change files, etc. We'll do one of that video on that another day. Okay, so that's it. That's all you need to do to be able to sideload onto your Firestick. Any questions? Drop me a comment. Don't forget to give us a like on the video, and also click subscribe and follow me for more tips and hints on your Firestick. Enjoy watching your shows in 2026. Hopefully we'll have lots of new movies coming out and things like that. So take good care until the next one. Bye.